It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, November the 8th. I'm Michael Groff. Breezy to locally windy conditions across the state today and tomorrow. We'll also see temperatures gradually cooling off over the next few days, and the weather should remain dry through at least the middle part of next week, as our weather pattern just isn't changing all that much. And of course, Thanksgiving is only 2 weeks away, so we'll try to get you at least a sneak peek at how the models are trending for Turkey Day. Let's get out there and talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 83 for the high, 59 for the morning low. Those normal highs are now down in the upper 70s. And outside right now, here at 6:20 a.m., clear skies in the valley and 61 degrees presently at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 44, humidity 55%. The winds are light, the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 45 at Goldfield, 46 in the North Valley, 49 at South Mountain, most of us in the 50s to near 60. Around the nation, temperatures down in the single digits in parts of northern Montana, with teens for Minnesota, the Dakotas, all the way down through the central Rockies. The upper air look, this looks familiar, doesn't it? Troughing across much of the nation, especially the northern tier states where the chilly weather is, and that'll be heading south and eastward by early and middle portions of next week. The watch warning map, wind advisories for parts of northwest Arizona along the Colorado River, southern Nevada, southeast California as well, with numerous red flag warnings through the west. Also, winter weather advisories for parts of Nebraska and Kansas. Convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms around San Antonio, Waco, Texas, as well as from Panama City up to Valdosta, Georgia. And rainfall for the next 7 days from the WPC. Nothing in the valley, nothing statewide. The dry weather continues. Ho-hum, more of the same. We'll get into the details of that now as we take a look at the models. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Very deep trough over the central and northern plain states. And a trailing shortwave here across the southwest with an associated surface boundary. So yes, down at the surface today, breezy to locally windy conditions, especially over western and northern Arizona. Could see some patchy blowing dust over the western deserts too. Highs this afternoon, upper 70s to near 80. Tonight, clear skies, breezy conditions here in the valley, and that's going to mean temperatures are kind of all over the board. The cool spots get down in the upper 40s, could be near 60 though in the urban core. Tomorrow, sunny, breezy, highs in the mid-70s. Saturday, mid and upper 70s with mostly sunny skies. On Sunday, we've got another shortwave trough with a surface boundary headed our way. So high temperatures, low to mid-70s with, again, breezy conditions coming through. Same thing on Monday. And then Tuesday, we kind of get into this progressive pattern with shortwave ridging and troughing moving on through every couple of days. So Tuesday, we'll see highs back in the upper 70s to near 80. Same thing on Wednesday. Then a week from today, this is Thursday the 15th, we've got a little shortwave trough now that moves down the east side of the Rockies and into the southern plains, and maybe that knocks temperatures down here a degree or two, but overall conditions stay dry. Here's Friday the 16th, still looking dry and seasonal with a northwesterly flow, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period. Saturday the 17th, there's a trough moving into the Pacific Northwest, a mainly zonal flow here, but you do see another short wave off to our west. So periods of high clouds from time to time late next week and into the weekend, but overall, the weather remains dry. And now, just for the heck of it, just because we can, let's go way off into fantasy land. Here we go, 348 hours into the future. This is 11 a.m. Thanksgiving Day. And if this is right, a pretty sharp trough coming through the southwest states, maybe some unsettled weather by Thanksgiving night here across Arizona with rain and mountain snows, high temperatures below average. Looking around the nation, kind of seasonal with temperatures below freezing for the Dakotas, parts of Minnesota, the Great Lakes, the Northeast getting battered by some strong winds and some snow, a very impressive storm system over eastern Canada. And again, this is way out there, 2 weeks away, so it's hard to get with any specifics. And you might say, well, why do you show this then? And the reason is we look for model trends out here. And so certainly the trend is for somewhat unsettled conditions or at least cooler weather here across the southwest. And I don't think anybody's complaining about that. Let's take a look at the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Highs mostly in the 70s, lows primarily in the 50s. Fall weather at its finest. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And your comments, questions, suggestions, all of your feedback, always encouraged. I always try to respond to every comment that I receive. So you guys have yourselves a great day. Be safe out there. And here is your forecast.